Hey, what's up, you guys? We're back again with this never-ending project. We're gonna be working on the Trailblazer today. The reason we haven't put the door panels back on any of the doors is because of the vapor barrier that was on here. It was all torn up, so we were gonna pick some up at the junkyard, but they're all old, so we're just thinking that might as well make some new ones. And what we're gonna use is this table plastic. It's not super thick or super thin. It's thick enough, thicker than a plastic bag. So these are the old ones. They do have this little foam, which I don't think we're really gonna need. You see they're all torn up, and it has this material on the other side, I guess for some type of like sound deadening. I don't know what that is. This is the other, this is actually the driver's side. This is the passenger side. See, the driver's side is also all ripped. And these are the back doors. These are still in pretty good shape, but since we're gonna replace the front ones, might as well do the rear ones. And we saved them because we're gonna use these as templates and trace it over the other plastic. So I'm gonna put this on the table real quick, and then we're gonna go over it with the Sharpie or something, and then just use the scissors to cut the other plastic. I don't think I'm gonna do all this. I'm gonna check real quick. Now, I don't think I'm gonna do all this because I don't think it's gonna be needed. We'll probably just go around this to go around the speaker bracket. And for the back, it's much easier. We're just gonna have to cut all this out, this and this. That's it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Can I just put it on there? So this is the hole for that bolt. I might have to open it up a little bit. And then on this, it goes right over that. You see, it's basically exactly as the other template. Alright, so I finished doing the rear driver's side door, and I only had to open this up a little bit more. The one for the door handle, the hole for the door handle. This worked out. This hole worked out. It's for a harness plug, and we're gonna put them on the door with this 3M strip caulk. Black. Part number if you guys are interested. So these little strips right here. So I'm gonna try to go all around the door with this on the edge. And just put it on there. Sticky enough for this plastic. So it comes with 60 strips. Each strip is 1 foot. And this was like about 25 bucks shipped. And for all this plastic, I paid like about $8. So it's not that bad. So let me put some of this on the door, and I'll put you guys back on once we start putting the plastics on. So I think I'm gonna try one at a time, and if I need more, I think I'm gonna do. Actually, you know what? We could do 2 and just roll it together. Shit. You're gonna put 2 together, and we're gonna roll them onto each other. And basically just go around. You could kind of see where the old one was at. So I'm gonna lay some of this all around, and then I'm gonna get the plastic over here and put it on top and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like all put together. I was doing the strips too thick right here, so what I ended up doing is just using 1 strip and it actually works, I think, a little bit better with one strip. And it's not perfect down here, but this goes behind the door panel, so you can't even see it. See all the cuts, the bolt. I might trim this one a little bit with the blade. And then there's another hole because this clip goes in just for like the side mirrors, and the other hole for the harness. And we went around the speaker, so just make sure I pressed it on there. So I'm gonna work on the back door, and then I'll show you guys how the back door looks once it's all done. So this is what it looks like now that the plastic is on the rear door. We cut out the door handle, this hole for the harness, this piece right here for the, I believe is armrest, and then we went over the speaker bracket. So we just pressed on it firmly just to make sure it's secured to the strips, and it's ready for the door panels. But first we have to clean the door panels before we throw them on here. So this, I believe it works to keep the vapor and the moisture from, you know, between the door or whatever, from getting into the car. So this is the way we decided to do it. You know, if it helped you guys in any way, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films, and we'll catch you in the next one.